some kind of devil or what?
Is it a crime to propose to a lady who is single and searching for love?
Don't tell me that nonsense.
Mensah, stop this.
Jankuma, how dare you?
Not dare.
Get your filthy hands off me.
Oh, you have grown wings. You know what? This very minute, you are fired! Now, go in there, pack all your things and leave my house. Now!
Please, madam. I know you are single and searching, just like me. I want us to court and eventually get married.
Is it a dream or what?
It's not a dream, madam. I'm in love with you.
Love can hide in simple things, but pride can make us blind.
You know what? Richard or whatever you call yourself. I want to be alone. I want to know whether it's a dream or real.
He came with nothing, no gold, no name. Just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door.
Mensah, baby, hear me. Mensah, baby, hear me.
What is it?
Mensah, can't you tell me so die?
You're not dreaming. What is this?
Mensah, so me when I'm here, so die. Mensah, touch me.
Sis, you are not dreaming.
Mensah, could you believe, sir? That useless houseboy came to propose to me.
Eh? And what did you do to him?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I thought I was dreaming, so I just want to confirm.
Sis, you are not dreaming. You know what? You relax. Okay. I knew it. I knew from day one that boy is not correct. I knew it. You leave him to me. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Leave him to me.
Okay.
Sis.
But you couldn't see anymore. What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true love lives.
Hell will break loose today. Come on, houseboy. Proposing to me, my sister. Oh, it seems he doesn't know me. I won't be there again.
Stay, Efya, stop crying. If you cry, your head will ache you. Or do you want me to cry too?
Have you seen the pain you've caused my sister? I mean, are you some kind of devil or what?
Is it a crime to propose to a lady who is single and searching for love?
Don't tell me that nonsense.
Mensah, stop this.
Jankuma, how dare you?
Not dare.
Get your filthy hands off me.
Oh, you have grown wings. You know what? This very minute, you are fired! Now, go in there, pack all your things and leave my house. Now!
Say, girl, was that in?
Shut up! Mensah.
Yeah.
I'm going to bring half of his payment.
He came with nothing, no gold, no name. Just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door, but you couldn't see anymore. What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late.
Just don't mind.
Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same.
Samantha, stay here. Please, I'm really sorry for interfering yesterday. But I want to know why you are so pained just because a guy of a supposed low standard proposed to you.
Are you here to query me or to empathize with me?
Well, all I can say is take it easy. But you don't deserve any empathy because nothing bad has befallen you. I don't see anything wrong with a single guy proposing to a single lady. Yes, I understand that he's of a low class. But if he has vision, with time, he can meet your standard.
You see what I hate about you? You think you know too well in life. You are just a kid. Don't you know it's an insult for a houseboy to propose to his madam? What do you know?
That ideology is archaic. If a guy believes in himself, he can propose to any lady he wants. If you ask me, I think he didn't do anything wrong.
If you don't leave me this minute, I will smash your face with this!
Me, I've said my own. You push think about it. It's for our own good.
Will you shut up and leave?
Crying in the night, love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears, now you realize true love lives beyond disguise.
Sis, take it easy, okay? After all, we've sat here.
Never stays the same. Heart in tears, oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know. Another soul with a gentle flame. So his heart, not the name. Kinda shining in her eyes. She could see beyond disguise. Where there's love, there will